So today we're going to look at equivalent fractions. And when we're looking at equivalent fractions, it means we're looking at fractions that are going to be the same size and they are equal. So in order to determine that, sometimes we can use a number line and have the fractions on the number line. Sometimes we can use pictures. And for those of you that are home, if you have pictures, you can do that, or even measuring cups. If you have measuring cups at home, a lot of times those will help you in determining if something is equal or not. And so if you take a look right on this side, you can see that here is our whole. And you can see that we have 2 pieces that make up a whole. Here we had 4 pieces that make up a whole. And then down here we had 8 pieces that make up the whole. But if you look at just these fraction pieces, take a look at how I can draw a line, not such a straight line, but draw a line straight down the middle. And these are all the same size. So you'll see that I have how many fourths? 1, 2. 2 fourths is equal to 1/2 because they are the same size. 1/2 ends here, 2 fourths ends right here. They're the same size, and so they are equivalent. They don't have to be the same numbers, just being that same size there. And then if you look down here, look at how many 8s I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eighths is the same size as 2 fourths. So I can say 2 fourths, oh, maybe I can write it too. Okay, we're going to write it over here. 2 fourths is equivalent or equal to 4 eighths. I can also say that 1/2 is equivalent to 4 eighths because if you look back down at that picture, right down here, this size again was the same as that 1/2, so these are also equivalent. Again, 1/2 was also equivalent to 2 fourths. So what we're doing is we're looking to see what fractions are the same size. They are equal in that length to them. So today as you're working, you might be given number lines. And they give these to you, like I said before, as one method of helping you find out if it's equivalent. So I know by looking at this number line that 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6 because on our number line, these both started with 0. Our 1 whole is right here. 1 whole because I had 3 pieces out of 3. I had 6 pieces out of 6. This is 1 whole. So these are both the same size or length for the line. Right here, 1/3 and 2/6 line up with each other, so they are equivalent. By looking right here, I can see that 2/3 and 4/6 are equivalent as well. Okay. Taking a look right here, 1/2 is equivalent to how many fourths? 1, 2. So this is what your page is going to look like today. You have some number lines. You have pictures. In the pictures you can see they're the same size. They're the same amount that's missing. There's just more lines that have been drawn in here. So you'll have your pictures to help you in determining what is equivalent. Down here, you're going to be drawing lines to tell me what's equal or equivalent to 1/2. So you're looking for that same size, all right? And drawing your lines to each of those pieces. And then on the back side, you'll be answering some questions about equivalent fractions. Again, for those of you guys that are at home, if you have measuring cups, that works perfect. If you have a number line that you could draw out, or just drawing out pictures, whatever works best for you, okay? All right, guys, have fun with these, and we'll see you later.